Big thanks to Kamado Joe for sponsoring this episode.
I know you like hot sauces, I like them too. And I buy a lot of hot sauces, but did you know you can make your own? And it's really easy to do. Before I show you how to do that, I want to let you guys know about our website, pitmasterx.com. It's totally free, no strings attached, everything like poop poop, super transparent. What we do there is give you this recipe and thousands of others for free. And you can even print them out, you can cook with them, and it's just for you. It's like, I'm giving it to you. So go there after this video. Making hot sauces is so much fun, and I had these leftover jalapenos. I made a video about jalapeno poppers, and I bought 5 kilograms of jalapenos because in my mind, you can never have too many jalapenos. But in hindsight, this is a little much. So I thought, what can I do with these jalapenos? And then it popped. I haven't made a good hot sauce in such a long time, and I really like hot sauces, so I buy them all the time. But you can make them yourself, and actually I got a great recipe for the hot sauces. So with all of these ingredients, I'm gonna show you how you can make this hot sauce, a jalapeno hot sauce. It's gonna be super tasty. Let's get started. I set up my kettle, Joe, for direct grilling. It's crazy hot at the moment. And so basically we're good to go, because what we need to do as one of the first steps is add flavor to our ingredients. The main ingredients for a hot sauce is gonna be these beautiful jalapeno peppers, but as they currently are, well, they're great, but they could be even better by grilling them. So I'm going to load up my kettle, Joe, with these beautiful jalapenos, and all we need is just a little bit of char on them. And because I don't just want jalapenos, I'm also going to add these onions. These are rather small, but they're white onions, quite sharp in flavor. Next I'm going to add some garlic, of course, because you can't have a good hot sauce without garlic. And the final ingredient is a lemon. That's going to be roasting too over the hot fires. Basically, what the grill's gonna do is make everything sweet and develop flavors that you haven't had before. The jalapenos are starting to turn soft, the onions are getting soft, and basically everything is sweetening up and getting more and more flavorful. Now, we got a little bit of char on our veggies, and that smell, that's just insane. Normally, if you're eating a jalapeno, it has kind of like a paprika style of flavor. But when you give them a little char, they just sweeten up and go from bitter to sweet. And that's exactly what makes our homemade hot sauce the best hot sauce. So 50 of these grilled jalapenos are going to go straight into the blender. We're gonna leave that little stalk on, we're gonna leave the seeds in, everything is gonna go in. I'm gonna grind up the jalapenos until they turn into a smooth paste. Then I'm going to add 6 grilled onions, 4 grilled garlic cloves, and the juice of 1 grilled lemon. This hot sauce is not finished yet, but of course I wanna give it a try, making sure the flavors develop as I want them to. Well, that kind of woke me up, and I've now established that the flavors are on point. I've got some fruity flavors, I got some grilled flavors. This is a potentially epic hot sauce. Now we're going to need some acidity, which comes in the form from vinegar. To this I'm going to add a cup of distilled vinegar, 4 tablespoons of table salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of fresh ground black pepper. And when you got everything mixed up, you can place it in a jar and you can store it in the fridge for up to months. The vinegar and the salt is going to prevent any bacteria from forming, so you can store this up to 2 months in your fridge. But I bet you before the 2 months are up, it's going to be long gone. Chicken umbrella, because that's how you eat chicken. Dip. Hot sauce. That's freaking awesome. And that's how easy it is to make.
I have the common cold, and Roel told me this is gonna solve everything. I'm curious. I'm curious if it does. Does that really work? How does it work? Like this?
Pinch and push.
Whoa, that's hot. So that's how you eat chicken? All right, there we go. Hot sauce. Ooh, is that too much? I don't know.
There's not like even one thing I would change about this hot sauce. It's got that paprika style flavor. It's got that singiness of the vinegar, but it also has sweetness because we grilled the veggies. We didn't add any sugar. We just added a little salt, vinegar, and that's the basis. Of course, we added a little mustard too to just develop the flavor and make sure that it doesn't separate. But come on, this is one of the best hot sauces you're gonna have, period. This is so freaking awesome. If you can make a better hot sauce, I would love to know about it. Until then, go make this.
That's a mess. That's a good mess. I love this hot sauce. All the airways that I have in my body are opening up, but I love this sauce, man. You gotta make this.
All right, if you're upset
Yeah?
that dogs eat chicken, please look away. Because, you know, our dog, she eats chicken. She attacks Morrison if she
People
doesn't
should
get chicken.
see the places where she comes from, like from originally.
She's vicious.
That's vicious, man. So I understand why she eats chicken.
I love this hot sauce so much.
Hey,
Yeah, she's
Go for
attacking you
another one.
because, yeah, she's attacking you because she's not getting chicken. That's not okay in her book.
I love this hot sauce.
It's not too much.
No, I
It's
wouldn't.
really
I was expecting it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was expecting it to be way too much.
It's more of a table hot sauce. It's more flavor than it's hot.
Yeah. But also, for the pepperheads that are really disappointed right now, just add more then. Add more things to it.
Yeah.
This is a good base. Flavorful base for a hot sauce. And if you wanna spice it up, put Carolina Reaper. I don't care what you put in, but
Right.
make it hotter if you want.
Please go easy on the chicken and dog comments. We don't want that dog to get upset. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and give a big thanks to our patrons and the YouTube members that support our channel.
Oh yeah, I love you guys, man.
Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling. You gotta eat the last one with extra sauce.
Oh man.
Just to make sure
Yeah, keep healthy.
you keep healthy. Vitamins.